see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the back, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up.
Okay, wow, this seems like deja vu. The last time I came here to get tires, it was the same weather conditions, basically. It's a little misty, wet, cold, windy, rainy, garbage. But I'm here because I'm pretty sure you guys have heard me complain about the tires on my car enough already. So I'm here to rectify that situation. Fit me in. I didn't really do no appointment or anything like that, man. I just came up here. You know, I've been wanting to get tires anyway, so I came up here today. Let's try to make this happen. I want to get those Indy 500s just like I had on my GTI. They were really good tires in all weather conditions. I know that they're summer tires only, but here in Texas, we don't really get that much snow. Maybe like once or twice a year, or if it's really crazy, we might have more, but for the most part, I don't need like a real all-season type of tire. Yes, it gets pretty cold, 20s and below and stuff like that, but I'm not really too concerned about that because on those particular days, those are few and far in between as well. So for the most part, a summer tire works here in Texas. They're good in the rain. They're good, obviously, when the temperatures are warmer. So that's what I'm gonna get. You definitely get rid of these trash tires. Like I said before in my other video, these came with some Ironmans. I don't know, never heard of them. Researched them. They look like they're very, I'll say, economical. I don't want to offend if any of the tire Ironman people are watching my video, which 0% chance that happens, but the tires not very good in my opinion. So I'm gonna get those off, hopefully get the new tires on today. So stay tuned in. Yeah, so here's the Ironmans. These are not Tony Starks though. These are more like Trash Man. So I'm gonna get these off of here, man. Hopefully.
2,000 years later.
All right, so I actually left and came back, and they got the car all ready to go, man. Got the Indy 500s on there. You can already see the sidewalls way chunkier than those Ironmans. Got brand new tires on here, man. I hope I like them as much as I did when I had them on my GTI. They were really good, really grippy. In all weather, they were good in the rain. They were good, obviously, in the summer. Very little wear. Yeah, you can see in the back, man. Got a little more meat on the back. See that poking out a little bit? Yeah, that's what I like right there, man. This is gonna be really, really good. They took care of me within. They told me it was gonna be like 2 or 3 hours just to get the tires, get them mounted, but it only took like 2 hours. So I left, came back. You know, had to make it do what it do. Started chopping up some other videos and stuff like that. But yeah, they look good, man. Of course, it's rainy and all that stuff, so excuse the dirt. But once I get this cleaned up, this car gonna be looking real good. I actually think these look way better than those stock tires, the profile anyway, and it makes the wheels actually look a lot nicer. So I think once I get this cleaned up, be good to go. I was actually thinking about getting new wheels and tires today, but I felt like the tires were more important and I can roll on these for longer. These wheels are now kind of growing on me, so I'm not too concerned about getting new wheels at the present moment. But I think what I'll do is I'll get in contact with my boy Rail 2 Real. Give me some nice wheels and tires, and then I'll have these as a backup set. And then that's what I'll probably wind up doing here. But I know that I wasn't going to get the wheels and everything that I wanted before March 7th, the big showdown. Make sure y'all go to the website, check that out. We are, man, it's getting big and big and big. I don't want y'all to miss out, man. So make sure y'all do that now. Don't be procrastinating. Don't be on CP time and try to sneak in late. You know, try to get down there at the very last minute. But yeah, I think this will be a good starting point for all the shenanigans that we're gonna do down there. And man, I'm really happy right now. So hang on 1 second. Yeah, so like 2 seconds in, I can already feel a difference. Car feels more planted, even in the rain. Still got to be, you know, extra careful though. But hey man, I'm already 100% happier, man. And can y'all hear the exhaust? It sound a little different, huh? Yeah, so man, stay tuned for all the stuff, man. Stay tuned in, man. But hey, if y'all got this far in the video, man, comment down below what you had for breakfast. That way it'll confuse all the people that left the video early when they see the comments, man. But anyway, hit the thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe, turn your notifications on if you haven't already. I'll catch you next video. Peace.